In this video, we are going to look at the prices of the most commonly used building materials: sand, cement, stones, wood, iron rods, and more, coming up next. Okay, so this is the second week in the month of June, and we are going to start off with the price of cement. Today, 42.5 hour grade Gasem cement is selling at 98 Ghana cedis, so it has gone up marginally from the 93 Ghana cedis in the first week of June. Similarly, if you wanted Jasta cement, you can get it at 98 Ghana cedis. Gasem 32.5 hour grade, however, is selling for 88 Ghana cedis. And these you can use for your tile works, your plastering works, etc. Now, if you wanted a cheaper alternative, then Sima 42.5 hour grade is selling at 95 Ghana cedis, whilst the 32.5 hour is selling at 78.50 in certain places. Now, if you wanted home champ paint, a bucket is going for about 320 Ghana cedis. I purchased 10 buckets of home champagne just last week, and I was able to get it at 290. So if you're able to negotiate or bargain really hard, you can get it at additional discounts. Next, let's look at iron rods. Today, a ton of iron rods is selling for 8,300 Ghana cedis. These are mild tensile iron rods, not high tensile iron rods. Good for, the lintel works and the columns for a typical one bedroom or one-story building, two-story building house, etc. Today, you can get 60 millimeters individual piece for 118.60 Ghana cedis, the 14 millimeters at 87.40 Ghana cedis, the 12 millimeters at 66.40, and the 10 millimeters at 40 Ghana cedis. Now, you can also get a coil of binding wire at 80 Ghana cedis. With that said, let's look at nails. So you can get 3 inches nails for about 85 cedis and 4 inches nails for about 85 Ghana cedis. So the prices of nails have dropped because in May they were selling for about 100 cedis, 110. So 85 cedis is welcome news. Now, if you wanted wood, 2x2 is selling between 35 cedis to 45 Ghana cedis, and the 2x4 is selling between 55 to 65 Ghana cedis. 2x6, however, is selling between 80 to 120 Ghana cedis. Now, if you wanted Wawa boards, it's selling between 120 to 190 Ghana cedis. And these Wawa boards are the ones you are going to use when you are doing your pillars, etc., your lintel, all the board work. 120 to 190 cedis. A year ago, they were selling between 45 to 60 Ghana cedis. And that's why we keep stressing on this channel that if you want to build, the best time to have started was last year. If you didn't start, the best time to start is now, because a year from now, it could be double the amount. Now, let's talk about blocks. Today, you can get 6 inches solid blocks at 7.40 Ghana cedis, while the 5 inches block are selling at about 7.20 Ghana cedis. If you wanted hollow blocks, you can get a 6 inches for about 6.7 and a 5-inch hollow for about 6.40. Now, again, it's important to mention that where we ask for the codes of building materials is around the Ghana East Municipality, Dome, Kwabenya, Chimota, those areas, right? So let us know where you're watching from and how much these material cost in your local area so that everybody learns from you. Now, the reason why we make these videos is for people who want to build and also people in the diaspora who are building and want to confirm the current prices, because sometimes they get cheated by their contractors or their masons or family members or friends who are building for them. And so if you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to the channel, turn on the likes. Now, with that said, let's look at sand and stones. Today, a trip of sand is selling between 1,800 to 3,500 cedis, depending on the cubic capacity of the truck delivering the sand, as well as how far they are going to fetch the sand to your building site. Personally, I purchased a trip of sand double axle truck for 2,400 Ghana cedis. There were places selling it for about 2,500 Ghana cedis. Again, let me know where you are watching from, and then also how much a trip of sand and stones are selling in your local area. Now, in case you haven't started building and you are looking for a plot of land to buy, we made this special video for you. So click on this video where we talk about everything you need to look out for when buying land in Ghana. See you on that video. Thanks, Bibre.